we're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like.
Good morning. Let's start our journey. Ready na kami ni Daddy Ram. Si Ryan na lang. Kahit kulang ang tulog, happy pa rin. So today na talaga guys ang start ng ating new life journey. So babiyahe kami from Hyderabad to Chennai. Bale ito yung last day namin dito sa India. Kasi yung flight namin is 11:50, right baby?
Yes.
11:50 pa ng gabi. But it's still early, 4 o'clock. Yung flight kasi namin is 7:50. So, kailangan daw naming 3 hours before. Kailangan nasa airport na kami kasi kakatapos lang ng Republic Day dito sa India. And medyo strict ang airport. So, sabi ng airline namin dapat maaga kayo. So, yung aking friend na si Iris ang magdadrop sa amin sa airport. Thank you, Iris. I'm gonna miss you. We'll see kung may iyakan mamaya. At least I'm so happy na siya yung last na maghahatid sa amin sa airport. Long travel ahead.
Long travel.
Yeah, Chennai to SG and then SG to Davao.
Enjoy.
Yes. No pressure. Check everything, Daddy. All good?
Good.
Let's go.
Everything in drawers, right?
No, I did not put anything.
Your mobiles,
Yeah.
wallet, and this pack. That's all. The
Let's
most
go.
important thing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go.
Good morning, Ryan. Where are we going? Where are we going, Ryan? Yes. Don't put it. Let Daddy put it.
Morning.
Good morning, it is. Rise and shine. Philippines awaits.
Is it for the dogs?
Yeah. If I take him to the park.
It's only dogs because they don't go to food dogs. They're not sure.
Hopefully. I should fit.
It should be put in the
Yeah.
seat.
Yeah.
Yeah, I do.
With you and Ryan.
Let's go.
Let's go. So you're
Let's
driving,
go to
Daddy.
the Philippines.
My car. My car. Huh? Let's meet it, Iris.
We're going to the Philippines. Let's go. Good morning, everyone.
Bye to Hyderabad, Ryan. Bye, Hyderabad.
Bye, Hyderabad.
When we will see you again. Huh?
Don't see that.
After a few months, hopefully. For vacation. Huh, Daddy? We're here. 4:52. So many people, right? Bye, Tita.
Alright, take care. Take care of Sarah.
Thank you so much.
Nobody knows me.
Nakapasok na kami.
Just read my mind.
Mag-check-in na tayo ng mga gamit.
Gets me. Except for you, like we're intertwined. Seasons come and go. Universe will change, but I'll feel
iPad.
I see you.
Finally done with the X-ray. My God. 3 times binabalik-balik ako, guys. Pero wala namang nakita. Ang dami namin electronics. Kaloka. Ryan! Finally! Yeah. Magkakape muna kami. Ang aming gate is 8, right, Daddy? Gate number 8. Nandoon pa ang layo.
I think last time,
Souvenir shop. What?
I think last time you got like 24 as a game.
Oh, you remember that one, Anna, when we went to Dubai? Ang daming nagbago, guys. Dati wala ito. Pinalaki yung Hyderabad Airport. Almost there. Gate number 8. A lot of new restaurants here now, right?
A lot of new even shops also, new shops.
Yeah, really. Eat at Hyderabad. Change a lot, really. Ano to? Flavors of Hyderabad. Looks so nice, right, Dewi? Oh, our gate is there. But ang gusto ni Daddy, McDonald's. Ang hinahanap namin ay McDonald's. Meron ding Tim Hortons dito. Kanina pa kami paikot-ikot. Ayaw daw kumain ni Ryan. So magkakape na lang kami ni Daddy Ram dito sa Minerva Coffee Shop. For us, this is small. For us, this is small.
He can have after a while. We will try other place.
Yeah. I made Ryan sit there.
Okay.
He's waiting for us.
I don't know why he's saying that I need to chana. I will get chana.
Yeah, you wanna eat the chana. It's still early actually, Daddy. It's good, right?
Yeah. Perfect meal coffee. Look at Ryan's face.
Someone said, guys, he's not hungry. He don't want to eat. But cannot resist Maggie. Yan talaga yung request niya kanina. Is it good? Waiting for boarding na kami, guys. But still early.
It's an hour gate only.
Yeah, 6 o'clock still.
Yeah, so much taste today.
Someone is too excited, guys. He said he can't wait to fly. Fly high. Going in. One last bye, Hyderabad. Bye, Hyderabad. Paalam.
Guys, we're going.
The first flight. Really.
3 more flights to go. 2 today and 1 tomorrow. And we go to Philippines.
What is this? What do you think?
Are you ready, Nana? Not scared?
Yeah, it matches.
I woke up in the middle of the night. And I wondered how you're always right. It gets me. I couldn't see what you saw in me.
Just landed at nagkukulitan ang dalawa. Sige. Tingnan nyo guys. Tingnan nyo. Ang kagat ng makulit. Hold properly, okay? Yeah. Yeah, it's his first time in Chennai daw. Me and Daddy second time. Yeah, together second time pala. We came here layover when we went to Sri Lanka. Kailangan namin kunin ang aming luggage, guys. Kasi separate booking ito, diba? So, mamaya, mag-check-in na naman tayo for Chennai, Singapore. How many bags? 5. Yung ibang luggage sana, hand carry. Pero, inalaw nila kami na i-check-in lahat para less hassle. Ryan, one more trolley, Daddy said. That's not ours.
Another trolley?
Yes. That's the one. Double check everything. Is it really ours?
Yeah.
Our next flight, Terminal 1 also, Daddy? I'm not sure. 2? Check first. Terminal 2?
The next one.
Okay. Si Ram, guys, nagtatanong siya ng information doon sa help desk kung saan na kami pupunta. Kasi para mag-i-exit kami sa Terminal 1 and then punta kami sa Terminal 2. Hey boy. Rock and roll boy. What happened, Daddy? No place to stay here?
I mean, there is like place like this, but
How about that lounge?
there is lodge inside only. You can once
Inside
you can
only.
stay. But there is like this is the domestic, right? You just go this side, there is international area like this.
Where's the terminal 2?
Next to this one.
Okay. Let's go there.
Let's go and see.
So we can eat also. Labas kami, guys. Yan yung malapit na malaking mall dito, guys. Lumabas kami kasi wala kaming proper na pagstayhan doon sa Terminal 2. Eh, may waiting time kami na 10 hours, diba? So, nag-iisip pa si Daddy Ram. Either mag-hotel kami or punta kami sa mall. Sakay kami nitong buggy, guys, papuntang metro. Do we need to pay? It's free also? So cool. You like it?
Yeah, the first time.
Yeah. Meron pala silang pag ganito.
When you come return, sir?
Huh?
When you come again to airport?
Evening. Singapore flight, night, midnight, 12 o'clock.
Good thing there is trolley also in the metro. Yung hotel, guys, I can carry this one, no problem. Sa loob ng metro. Come on, Ryan, let's go.
Next train to Vimpanagar Dippo Metro will be leaving from platform 1 in 4 minutes.
Tired, my boy. Long way to go, my boy. Very, very long way to go. At least I can sleep.
Yeah, we can sleep. I'm just asking you all this one.
Our room for the next few hours. Maliit lang. But it's okay.
3 hours, not a day.
Enough.
Yeah.
So we can rest.
It's just next to airport.
Yeah.
It's very, very close.
Very, very close. Few minutes only. Near to metro. We'll see how the day goes.
No, Tamil Nadu is here. In your India map at the bottom.
Where did it?
Yes, Tamil Nadu.
So you're telling me this is, imagine this is India, okay?
Yeah.
Telangana is here.
Yeah.
And then Tamil Nadu is here.
Dami expression nila yan.
You're telling me UP went to a different state that's near the coastline?
Yes.
Just 1 hour.
Yeah. And,
Near the beach.
And, beach also, you can go beach here. Famous Chennai Marina Beach.
Check maybe how far it is.
Yeah. You take metro just above us.
Huh?
Taking that from metro, go to central station, from there it will be very near.
Can you
It's easier if we take metro than taxi.
Yeah.
It's traffic maybe.
Traffic and expensive.
My plan is I want to eat something.
You can go on above, eat. You can, next to this one also is a mall, you can eat anywhere.
So the mall connected to the metro also?
Yeah.
Okay.
So Aero Plaza or something is connected.
Aero Hub.
Aero Hub.
Aero Hub. I want to rest. I want to sleep for a while because
It's not
I don't
necessary
have
you
enough
need to
sleep.
go out. You can take
Yeah, we still have enough time actually.
so much time.
At least makakapag-charge kami lang lahat ng mga devices namin, guys. Ayan, chillin'.
Just for a while.
Yeah. Tingnan mo ito isa. Do you know the password?
Yep, I know the password.
Okay. Lunchtime, guys. Akyat tayo. Maraming restaurant sa taas. Mag-open din sila ng Chennai Lulu Mall, guys, dito. Coming soon pa. Sobrang lapit lang ng mall. Lalakad lang talaga. Dito na yung Terminal 2. Dito tayo punta mamaya. Nagbagi pa tayo kanina. Pwede naman palang maglakad. Oh yeah. Hindi namin alam nasaan ang kanilang food court. Usually upstairs dali. Let's go up first. Meron silang money exchange dito oh. Kompleto. Popeyes. Oh my god! Yeah, there is also in Hyderabad. Yep, Domino's. Parang gusto kong, oh my cha time? Oh, Cha Republic pala dito. Hana, what you want? You want Popeyes also? Or idli? You should be with Dad. Enjoy Indian food. Types of chicken. What they have? Iba ang Popeyes as compared sa Dubai. The mashed potato was so good, right? Daddy, in Dubai, remember? Oh, nice view, Ryan. Come here. Ang ganda, oh. May pabundok. Nice, right? Cha Republic. Ate Tere, may Cha Republic dito. Kumakain na si Daddy Ram, guys, ng kanyang idli.
Sorry, I'm hungry.
Is it good?
Okay.
Is it good, Ryan? Not really? You seem not happy. I love.
Daddy.
Water.
Good, it's good actually. Train. Nice, right? Looks good.
They have burger
Nice,
also.
Daddy.
Okay.
Try their fries. Ryan. You love it?
You already started.
Huh?
You already started.
Sorry. It's hot? Seems not spicy, Daddy.
Looks crispy.
And fresh. Oh my god. Same in Dubai. Oh my god, I miss this. This one you want?
Yeah, I want to try.
The dip? So good, Daddy. It's so good. I love it. Sorry. See, the chicken looks so crispy and fresh. Anna, you wanna try the French fries? You tried already? So how is it? You like it? It's good, right? Do you still need your double down or we can share this one? Enough, right? Okay. And we are back. Sleeping time. Sleeping time, Ryan? No. We need to rest. Ready to sleep, guys?
Yes.
What time we will wake up? 6 o'clock?
Maybe.
Dinner and then go and check in, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, Ryan? Approve? Love you. And guys, well rested na kami. Around 3 to 4 hours kaming nakatulog. Very worth it talaga na nag-book kami dito sa hotel na ito. Kasi sobrang lapit lang sa airport. And then, nakatulog kami ng maayos, nakahiga-higa. Right? Super worth it.
Very much. Very, very.
Para may energy na naman tayong mag-travel for 24 hours again guys kasi 'di ba from Chennai, then 4 hours I think, right Daddy? Traveling time. Then
almost 4 hours.
umaga kaming makakarating ng Singapore. Then sobrang late na naman na gabi yung flight namin from Singapore to Philippines. And we can happily rest. Ano na, then enjoy our first day in the Philippines.
Because I am the youngest here. Youngest to
You use cards like that when you are.
No, I am first. I'm first.
Why always? You always.
I am first.
So convenient for you,
I'm
just
first,
changing
I'm
it.
first, I'm
Okay, go.
Parang shout out tag-away sila.
Okay.
Okay.
Shout out to Julie Vlog Korea and Junderlust. Junderlust.
And mine is shout out to Adele Percy, Janet P. Manalo, and Lorna Vigoya. Bye bye.
Bye guys. Like, share, subscribe. Like, share, ring the bell icon. Bye. See you bukas.
See you, Bukas. Really see you, Bukas.
See you bukas.